Hello, children! Welcome to day 4 of our 21 days reading program. Let's begin. Letter O. O says O, O, O. O is for ostrich. O, oranges. O. Letter R. R says R, R, R. R is for reindeer. Rabbit. R. Letter Y. Y says Y, Y, Y. Y is for yo-yo. Y, yat. Y. A, A, A. Y, Y, Y. A, Y, A, Y, A, Y. Oi, oi. Letter X. X says X, 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 X is for A, A. X, X, A, X, A, X, A, X. Ox, ox. Let's read the letter sounds. A, A. R, R. V, V. Y, Y. X, X. B, B. T, T. H, H. M, M. B, A, Y. B, A, Y. B, A, Y. Boy, boy. B, A, X, B A X, B A X, box, box. R A B, R A B, R A B, rub, rub. R A T, R A T, R A T, rat, rat. H A T, H A T, H A T, hot, hot. B A T, B A T, B A T, pot, pot. T A B, T A B, T A P, top, top. H A B, H A P, H A B, hop, hop. M A P, M A P, M A P, mop, mop. L A G, L A G, L A G, log, log. H A G, H A G, H A G, hog, hog. J A G, J A G, J A G, jog, jog. Outstanding. Let's continue our lesson tomorrow. Goodbye.